guys, this is the same BMW. On the previous video I showed you how replace all radiators. So basically I'm finishing this job. Just installed the headlight. Couldn't figure out first how to install, because as you can see right here, there's no bracket, no nothing for the headlight, and I installed the brackets to the headlight, but apparently this is not supposed to be like this. You're supposed to install the bracket first, and then bracket or support, I don't know, I'm sorry, and then you can put the lights, and then you can screw the lights from the bottom up here, so you can get entry from here straight to this screw, and there's another one screw, so you have to get the small socket and right there, like, slowly move until you can feel it hard. Okay, so then another one screw right here and right here, and then the headlight is well secured. So basically this is how it's without the light, without the bracket. And as soon as I'm gonna install this one, I'm gonna make another video and I will show you. Sorry I didn't make video step by step how to do it, because I'm just learning by myself how to do everything, and it takes a little bit time for me, but I do fast actually. Any question, text me, ask me, and I will help you. Bye bye.